We have this beautiful 2017 Indian Roadmaster Classic in for a 6-speaker audio upgrade. Going to be a 6-speaker audio upgrade, but the customer bought this bike with an audio system already in it, says it's not loud enough, really can't tune it and adjust it. So we're going to go in there, we're going to yank all that stuff back out, make any repairs that we need to, and then we're going to get our Davidson Audio tried and true system installed on this, get it done for the customer, and get them right back on the road. Want to take a moment to kind of go over this bike. Absolutely beautiful bike. Already has an aftermarket audio system, so fairing, lowers, and tour pack. So I'm pretty sure it's all Phoenix Gold. Actually, those might be Rockford Fosgate, I can't tell. 6.5 or 5.25 inch coax is there. 6.5 inch Phoenix Gold with the Dirty Bird enclosure adapters. Then in the tour pack is where this customer decided to stash, or not this customer, but the previous owner of this bike stashed the equipment. This is the T400X 4AD amplifier, a pack. I think that's the 4-channel line-out converter thrown in here. Phoenix Gold speakers in the back. So what are we going to do? We're going to do our 6-speaker audio package for this. We're going to go ahead and throw our 804 in the dash, our fairing, with the PSM Pro up there, Cicada CXX 5.25, CXX 6.5s there, CXX 5.25 back here, all off that amplifier, custom tuned for our customer. So let's go get this bike in the back. Bill and I are gonna knock this out today in a few hours and get the customer back his bike. We just finished up this bike for the customer. Like I said, we were taking it. He bought this bike with an audio package already in it. I don't know who did it. He doesn't either. They did it about how I expected it. They tapped into the front signal wires with a line-out converter in the tour pack to a Rockford amplifier and all that stuff. He just wasn't happy with it, couldn't tune it, didn't sound right. So he brought it over to us. We took care of everything. I think it sounds absolutely amazing. Got rid of all the Phoenix Gold, got rid of that Rockford amp, put a Sound Digital 804, all Cicada Audio CXX speakers. They're pro coaxial speakers. As you know, we absolutely love that speaker. In my opinion, is the best coax. I'm sorry for the price and for the quality of it. Absolutely amazing. Love it. So let's flip you around, go over this bike, show you everything, and then see or hear how it sounds. Let the customer listen to it and see what his opinion is as well. 2017 Indian Roadmaster, nice classic look there. So for what we showed you earlier, if you remember, we had Rockford amplifier in there. No more, so now they get their full tour pack space. Don't worry, have to worry about heat. Let's start back to front. CXX 5.25, again, pro coaxials. In the front stage, CXX 5.25, CXX 6.5s, love them, all carbon fiber. Amplifier is tucked up there. Arc Audio PSM Pro right underneath there. All equipment in the fairing, so you don't have to worry about anything anywhere else. Looks super clean, simple, but better yet, how does it sound?
Back in the day, never read a book, but them red letters hit my dead heart, and I came to life and I changed up. Now they wanna know. Tell me who this stranger? Dead man, don't wake up. I ain't going through places. This right here, the new way to basics. Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought it back. Woke up with a new heart, knew my new purpose. Tell me who's this stranger? Tell me who's this stranger? Dead man, don't wake up. So tell me who's this stranger? Came through on the wrong side. A promise of God can never be torn away. Walking on hands of angels, crushing sleep. Safe under the shadow.
to pick up his beautiful 2017 Roadmaster. We're going to ask him real quick what his thoughts are on the system and if he's happy with it and the process dealing with us here at Davidson Auto, because he made this super long drive from Jacksonville. Doesn't matter how close here, we always appreciate customers coming to us. So sir, what were your thoughts on everything?
The system is a huge improvement from what we had in the bike before. Very clear sound, very even around between the different speakers, spread out right, equalized very well through a wide variety of music. Great sound, very happy with it.
Awesome. Completely satisfied with it then?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Appreciate it. We're going to let them get on the road. But as always, if you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Harley's in there, motorcycle period, make sure you come check us out here in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We'd love to help you out. God bless all of y'all.